Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to install the Turn Off the Lights Brave extension. Whether you're a fan of immersive video watching or simply want to reduce distractions while browsing, this extension is perfect for you. So, let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have the Brave browser installed on your device. You can find the download link in the video description below. Once you have Brave installed, open the browser and follow along. The first step is to click on the 3 horizontal line icon and select Extensions. Next, click on the Web Store hyperlink that will open the Chrome Web Store. Now, in the search bar, type Turn Off the Lights and hit Enter. Great! On this page, you see 2 Turn Off the Lights. The first one is the stable version, and the other is the beta version with the latest new features. Click on the first item. To install it, simply click on the Add to Brave button. Then, click on the Add Extension button to continue the installation. Fantastic! The Turn Off the Lights extension is now installed in your Brave browser. You'll notice that the gray lamp button is not visible. To make the gray lamp visible in your Brave toolbar, click on the puzzle piece icon, search for Turn Off the Lights, and click on the pin icon. Now a gray lamp icon has been added to the toolbar. That's it for today's tutorial on how to install the Turn Off the Lights Brave extension. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks.